slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? Michael with iReviewStuff back here once again. And today we're going to be taking a look at the cream or sail Travis Scott Air Force Ones from ShoeOut. If you guys are new to the channel and this is your first time seeing a video by me, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. Also remember to drop a like on the video guys, even if you're a current subscriber of mine, show some love. Then yeah, with that being said, I've been ordering from ShoeOut for quite a while. I've had no problems honestly, and shipping is usually give or take like a week and a half, but usually it comes like within a week for me once I receive my tracking information. You can also ask for QC pictures from Bernice when you order from her. And yeah, so anyways, let's just get right into it. I didn't even realize that I have my flash on right now, but whatever, I guess it makes the video a little bit better because these shoes do have 3M. So yeah, anyways, let's get right into it. No more dragging it on. These were shipped by EMS. Like I said, took under a week once I got my tracking information. ShoeOut.ru is a website. There's a WhatsApp if you want to contact them. The WeChat, Instagram is at bernicegerge or at ShoeOut.ru. Super great customer service. Like Bernice is like awesome, honestly. And if you use my code iReviewStuff, you'll save $20 on any order on the website. So ShoeOut, one of the good plugs of mine that I've been buying from for quite a while now, so honestly you're not gonna have much problems with them at all. Let's go over the box real quick. Let's put the swooshes to the side. And yeah, one thing I will say, these shoes could definitely be a little bit darker in terms of the upper, but we'll go over everything. So you still got the Force right here, Nike Air Force One. Then he's got like Air Force paper inside, and over here we have Nike, some CB stamps. I don't know what that means, but yeah, Air Force One low, Travis Scott, size 12, sail light brown, gum light brown, and suggested retail. So these took a while to start being produced. I have no idea why. I didn't think it would be that hard. And the first versions are a little bit, they're not crazy off, but they're much better than my first version of my Travis Scott Air Force Ones, the white ones. But yeah, let's go over it. Quick little review, man. Discretion, these do fit true to size. I will mention that. They don't make size 13, so I just got size 12. I'm just gonna wear them without the insoles, and they fit pretty decently, honestly. A lot better than when I was trying to squeeze into 11s, because that's all they had way back when. So I'm happy size 12 is finally being made in these. So yeah, here's a shoe. You can see the stripes, they're 3M. You got green. So keep in mind, I'm not going to show you guys, but I assume you know, those stripes that are colored right now, they're basically just like the same color of the shoe when the light's not on. So yeah, so you got a green one, yellow one, pinkish one, blue, more pink on the tongue as well. I think that's the same tone. No, it's different. You got like purple on the tongue, okay. And then on the back you got light blue as well. So swoosh is upside down. It does glow in the dark, so if you go outside in the sun or whatever, come back in, you'll see it glow. We got the grills on the front. The swoosh could be a little bit better stitched, honestly. Yeah, you got the Cactus Jack patch. It does come off. Upside down Air Force One. On the inside, it does say Travis, then Nike Air, and then there is the size tag that I'll try to get you guys a better look at. So there you go. You guys can see it for the most part. And yeah, beyond that, there's the swooshes that come on it, the metallic ones. They come right off. They're honestly the perfect size. And the shape of the shoe looks a lot better than first version. It's like a lot better. Something they could fix is moving the swoosh a little bit like this way maybe. I don't know. It doesn't look terrible, but yeah, it's still honestly a really nice shoe. It's gonna be my new beater, even to wear to work and shit. Like, it's just a nice shoe overall. So you can see the top, like I was saying, it could be a little creamier, like the midsole. You can see how the midsole is kind of like that cream color. It's kind of like gummy cream. Then you got the gum bottom right there. So yeah, you can see stitching, everything else is on point. There's really nothing to complain about. You got the grills. Actually looks like they're blinging right now with no focus on them. So yeah, that's the, what is this, the left shoe. This is the right. You can see something, guys, that I didn't try to flip it just by flipping the shoe, but that didn't work. So it does come with this little thing. There you guys go. You can see that it says hashtag H12. If you guys don't know, that is the factory that Kick-Who gets their shoes from. So I don't know if ShoeOut decided to source these from Kick-Who, or the same factory at least, but if you order from Kick-Who, I assume this is something you're gonna get, because I've gotten quite a few requests for it. And yeah, you see my ghetto setup in the back, how I keep my lighting. But yeah, so this is the right shoe, man. Same deal. There's the patch. There's no midsole errors, to be honest. There's not too many midsole errors where the gum bleeds into the, like, if it's not painted properly. Like, it looks good, honestly. There's a backwards swoosh, or upside down, sorry. On this one it says Scott. I know a lot of shoes were both saying Travis, which is stupid, but they fixed that. You can see the eyelets are not 3M. It's not a big deal, honestly. It really isn't. A lot of people don't even know that the eyelets are supposed to be 3M. So yeah, there you go. Travis Scott Air Force One creams. How would I rate these shoes? I'd say if you guys want a pair of Travis Scott Air Force Ones, this is definitely the best option I've reviewed thus far. It's better than Lucas as well. So if you want to cop a pair, you guys know where to go. Hit my girl up, Bernice at ShoeOut. Oh, one of these. Yeah, so you can see, for those of you guys that don't know that these patches can come off, they can. Then they just button onto that. So simple stuff, man. Super clean shoe. Also forgot to go over the swooshes. So yeah, here's the swoosh thing. Pretty messy with the glue, I will not lie about that. But that, yeah, that's like the dragon scale swooshes. It says Travis Scott in the middle, and then you got the flame ones that turn into smoke. So, and these all work. The craftsmanship and quality look to be much better than my first pair too. So yeah, so you get the swooshes, you get the shoes, great quality, I'd say. You guys saw the 3M because I left my flash on because I was testing with the 3M prior to by myself. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you're new to my channel, you know what to do. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys have an awesome day. More heat on the way, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.